When a world-renowned chef like Bobby Flay collaborates with GreenPan, the result is nothing short of exceptional. This GreenPan X Bobby Flay 13-piece cookware set combines professional-grade innovation with practical functionality, allowing any home cook to elevate their culinary game. Crafted with diamond-infused ceramic nonstick technology and designed for ease, safety, and durability, this cookware set is a game-changer for kitchens of all sizes. Whether you're an aspiring chef or a seasoned home cook, this set is your ticket to exceptional cooking experiences. Key features of the GreenPan X Bobby Flay Cookware Set. Number 1. Complete Cookware Set. This 13-piece set includes everything you need for versatile cooking. 1.68-quart saucepan with lid, 2.54-quart saucepan with lid, 5-quart stockpot with lid, 8-inch and 10-inch frying pans, 4.52-quart sauté pan with a helper handle, solid turner, slotted spoon, and large spatula. This comprehensive collection ensures you can handle all cooking tasks, from sautéing vegetables to simmering soups. Number 2. Diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating. The diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating is a standout feature. Not only does it provide effortless food release and cleanup, but it also offers incredible durability. The toxin-free coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it a safe and healthy choice for your family. Number 3. Professional build with quick heating aluminum. The cookware's quick heating aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution for precise temperature control. Whether you're searing meat or simmering sauces, you can dial in the exact temperature needed for perfect results every time. Number 4. Stay Cool Chef Handles. Inspired by professional kitchens, the long chef handles with Stay Cool silicone grips provide unmatched control and comfort. Cooking becomes a breeze with handles that stay cool to the touch. Number 5. Chip-free rims for longevity. GreenPan's chip-free rims add an extra layer of durability, ensuring your cookware stays in top condition even after years of use. Number 6. Induction-ready and oven-safe. The cookware set is suitable for all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility makes it ideal for a variety of cooking methods. Number 7. Tempered glass lids. The tough tempered glass lids let you monitor your meals without losing heat. The wide handles make them easy to lift, ensuring safety and convenience. Why choose GreenPan X Bobby Flay? Health-conscious cooking. With its toxin-free ceramic nonstick coating, this set promotes healthy cooking by reducing the need for excessive oils or fats. Durable and long-lasting, the diamond-reinforced coating and chip-free rims ensure the cookware maintains its quality over time, even with daily use. Professional results at home. Designed in collaboration with Bobby Flay, this set brings the precision and quality of professional kitchens into your home. Ease of use and maintenance. From dishwasher-safe construction to non-stick surfaces, cleaning up after cooking is effortless. Customer experience and reviews. Number 1. Superior non-stick performance. Customers rave about the cookware's effortless food release and how easy it is to clean. The ceramic coating performs flawlessly, even when cooking sticky or delicate foods like eggs and fish. Number 2. Versatility and durability. The set's compatibility with various stovetops and its ability to go from stovetop to oven make it a favorite among users. Its long-lasting build quality ensures it can withstand regular use without chipping or warping. Number 3. Style and practicality. The cream-colored finish and sleek design make the cookware a stylish addition to any kitchen. Combined with practical features like Stay Cool handles and tempered glass lids, this set is as functional as it is attractive. Conclusion. Elevate your cooking game with GreenPan X Bobby Flay. The GreenPan X Bobby Flay 13-piece cookware set isn't just another cookware set. It's a complete culinary upgrade designed for both functionality and style. Whether you're perfecting a delicate sauce or searing a steak, this set empowers you with the tools to achieve professional quality results right in your home kitchen. With its diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating, quick heating aluminum construction, and toxin-free materials, this cookware combines cutting-edge innovation with health-conscious cooking. The durable chip-free rims and induction-ready design ensure it stands the test of time, while the Stay Cool handles and tempered glass lids add unmatched convenience. This set is not only practical, but also a stylish addition to any kitchen, appealing to both beginners and seasoned cooks alike. If you value efficiency, durability, and ease of use without compromising on performance or safety, the GreenPan X Bobby Flay Cookware Set is the perfect investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.